Mud. Oh, I never realized how much mud could actually stain your clothes until it happened to me. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove even the toughest mud stain. Join me. To get started, gather these items: laundry detergent and a toothbrush. First, ensure that there is no excess mud on the garment. If there is, simply use your finger and scrape it away. Apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent to the stain. Use your finger and kind of work it in. Then let the stain sit for at least 15 minutes. Next, grab your toothbrush. Get it wet with the water and scrub the front of the fabric and the back side of the fabric on the stain to ensure that we're getting that dishwashing liquid all throughout. Once you've noticed that the stain has become dislodged, simply rinse in cold water and let it air dry. Again, the reason why we air dry stains or clothes that have potential stains is because the heat from our dryer will set it, and we're trying to avoid that. So treating the stain, letting it air dry, and then looking at your clothes is a great way to make sure that the stain has been completely removed. At that point, feel free to throw the clothes in the washer, launder as normal, dry as normal, and you're good to go. Please share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up, let me know that you liked it. And subscribe to my channel for daily DIY and organizational cleaning videos. Thank you, and I will see you next time.